Today we are looking at the Mini 3 Pro, maybe Mini by name, but certainly not by nature. So it's the perfect cinematographer's tool. When it comes to the camera, it's got a 1/1.3 inch sensor. You can shoot in 4K HDR up to 60 frames per second, and you can have a D-Cine-like profile. We have things like the quick shots, the master shots, hyperlapse, all in this tiny little 250 gram body, which is incredibly regulation friendly. So anything under 250 grams, the regulation is a little bit lighter, so it's much easier for anybody to pick up and fly. It's also got a nifty little vertical shooting mode. Can instantly rotate the lens to 90 degrees just with one touch on the app. You'll see more and more of these pro features appearing in our much smaller drones.